Have a look here. We've got this wonderful table that opens out that comfortably seats 8 people around it for lunch or for dinner. And after a hard day's sailing, what do we all want? Well, we all want our favourite drink. And of course here we've got a refrigerated cockpit drinks locker. Space is a premium on all of our yachts, as on the Oyster 885, and so you'll see under here we have locker space running all the way around the cockpit seating here. Now in terms of the cockpit itself, it's incredibly ergonomic. Now what does that mean? It basically means it's really comfortable to sit in and spend time in, but also it's really protected as well. And what do I mean by that? Well, we're away from the winches, we are away from the jib sheets because they run underneath the deck. We're protected by this large spray hood here that gives us protection from the wind, but also gives us great visibility as well. So everywhere you look, we thought about how the yacht moves at sea. When the yacht heels over, there's always somewhere to either put your foot or to brace yourself, and plenty of handholds to make sure that when you spend time in this guest cockpit that you're as comfortable, safe and secure as you can be.